Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Freepik AI image generator on mobile. So currently we're using it with an iOS device and we have the Freepik app right here. Open it and then at the bottom you have some options. We're going to be choosing AI tools. Then at the top left corner you have AI image generator. That's exactly what we want. Tap on it and right here you can see your text prompt area where you can write or talk about your idea. Before we do that, there are some options or parameters which you can set at the bottom to help the generator align your thoughts with its output. For example, the first option here is the mode. When you tap on it, you can see the different modes that are available, and depending on the one you want to choose, you can choose it and proceed. After selecting it, you can tap on close, and then you also have the style default. The style default determines the style of your generation. You could choose a cartoon font, 3D, dark, surreal. You get the point. Basically, these are the options that will determine the theme of your creation. Then you also have the size. You could choose the size you want from a range of options. Next, you have the character option here. You can choose from the characters here available, or you could create a new character, but do take note that these options are only available for the upgraded plan. Then you also have effects. Basically, these are the effects you'd like to add to your image. So we're going to choose a random one there. Tap on close. It has given us a random gold glow. Tap on settings for more settings, and this is where you can see some other settings which we talked about, such as the mode, the aspect ratio, or the number of images to generate. Now this determines how many variations you can have with each prompt. So this is 2 now, and we have 4 or 5, so we're going to leave it at 4. And then you have AI prompt. It says improve short prompt and generate diverse variations. You could choose this option and see how well it works. Tap on apply and it's ready for your prompt. So that was our prompt, a happy baby levitating in a glowy night sky. That's very random, so we can go ahead and say generate image. And now we have some options here, and this is very close to what we want, and that looks really good. So we can tap on the download button at the top right corner, and we'll be able to download it for ourselves. So this is how to use Freepik AI image generator.